Hey folks, good afternoon, salute, welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you, and it's a beautiful bright spring day. The temperature is about +5, which is amazing. Alright, that was a big siren. There's a big train station in the back there, so excuse that. But today I'm out with my Slash 2-wheel drive. It has a T-bone front bumper, some upgrades in the rear. It's running the Castle system, SideWinder3. It has a 4600kv motor, and I think Slash has been one of those trucks that have always been a nice drifter and stuff, you know, the 2-wheel drives. We're going to try and have some fun today with the Slash, so stay tuned. Let's have some fun with the Slash, guys. Beautiful day. Alright, here we go. Let's get the thing set up. By the way, I'm standing on a piece of wood, a block of wood. Guys, check it out. Because, you know, everything here is melting, so it's all muddy and stuff, so you gotta watch out where you put your foot, or you're gonna come home with a thick layer of mud under your shoes, and your wives or girlfriends are gonna get mad at you. I hope you enjoyed today's content. Work. See you next time.